So I cut out the holes on the bucket stop, and I cut down 2 plastic tubes to connect to the vacuum cleaner, but I put it in a vertical position, so the hole was too low on the vacuum cleaner. So I stood it up, and this way it will fit, hopefully. So I'm gonna just tape things together and try it out. So this angle is mostly fine to join the 2 tubes like this, and I have electrical tape for that. So let's just start taping. Like the distance must be very small between the 2 tubes, because the sucking power may pull in the tape, so that's not good. It must be really close. And then just a few more windings like that, and on the other tube too. Like that. Cut or snap or whatever. And it will have to bend a bit forward to connect, like that. Let me put something under it. Ooh, what can I put under it? A piece of wood. Like that. And it should go in. This is just temporary. I will make the connections a bit better later, but now it's just for testing. Like that. So just seal the gap here. If it wants to seal, like that. One more. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a test to see if it sucks. If it sucks good. Does it suck good? Yeah. And connect the vacuum tube in the other hole. Nah, it doesn't really connect, but yeah, it's there. So what I have to do here is put something here, because it will suck the tube in if I don't stop it there. The negative pressure will suck it in. So electrical tape, maybe. I don't know what I'm doing here. This may or may not be enough. Like that. Just like an amateur who never did this before. Yeah. Maybe I'll reduce the power. Where's the minimum? Oh, it's already at minimum. Perfect. Okay, and then let's put some dirt here to suck up. What can I suck up? Blue. When you want to make something dirty, you you can't find anything. Well, let's try with my screws. Whatever. Here I put a lot of screws on the ground, and let's see if it sucks it up. Wait. This tube is too rigid here, so I have to maneuver carefully. And here we are. And this is going to be a big fail. Close your ears. Well, it did it. It did it. It did it. At minimum power, it was able to suck up all the screws, and they are here. Only a few got into the bucket, so the rest must be in the tube. That's funny. They didn't make their way all the way into the vacuum cleaner. So they are all in the tube right now. That's funny. Okay, but with more sucking power it will do it. Now I'm just going to put them into the container from the tube. Let me show you. This is kind of funny. So it kind of worked. Maybe it needs more power. If it will have more power, yeah, and seal up the all the gaps in the tubing. That will fix it. If there are no gaps and I give it slightly more power, because the air has to go through more tubing than usual, so it needs more power, more friction and all that. So I think that's a success. Yeah. So there you go. This paint with paint inside cost $5. Yes, $5. And these are empty tubes for caulk. Yeah, caulk, white caulk. They are also $1 each. So even if you buy the paint and the 2 tubes of caulk, it's a cheaper solution than buying a shopvac or some other container that will cost a lot. Okay, so I think it's a success. Look, the screws are back in the bowl.